Alright guys, so on the key elements, what is more important? We need to learn the basics. We need to revise the basics as we have already read, as you guys have already read the basic course, right? In that I have given you a topic and explained you as well that what and how to measure the trends. So the trend is the most important thing in any chart before you trade, and for every trader. It's the basic that you have to know how to mark perfectly and correctly. So let's see how the trend up moves. So when the trend up moves, we have the higher highs continuation and the higher lows continuation in the upward direction. As you can see, we can see again and again the first higher low continuing with the second higher low adjoining the third higher low. When three higher lows continue and make up, we have an ascending line coming up, and that is what is an uptrend. Now uptrend also has a rule that the higher highs will also grow in continuation adjoining each other. It means that the first higher high will give a continuation to a second higher high, and then the continuation to the third higher high will give us a perfect trend up. Got it? It's quite easy, I know. Let's just finish up so that we can jump on the charts and structures. All right. The next is trend down. So let me clear the chart. All right, so trend down in the key elements is also very, very important because that tells us when the movement or the trend is going down or bearish, right? Like we marked everything on the trend up, the same thing happens here, but on an opposite way. We keep and continue make lower lows. Whenever the prices are making lower lows continuously, we can easily understand that the prices is on a downtrend because the lower highs are also getting created adjointly, right? Whenever the lower highs are getting created adjointly, 1, 2, 3, 3 times is more than enough for a trend to be created. And then the lower lows are also supporting, making like a step or a ladder to go down, right? You have seen the steps, right? Stairs. We go down, and that's what is a downtrend. When we are moving up in the stairs, the same movement is known as uptrend, correct? So I think it's pretty clear. We can move to our next topic.